I get those goosebumps every time. Throw that to the side.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this cute, simple hairstyle for when you're on the go. So starting off, my hair, I don't know how it was before this, but it looks crusted and busted. So I'm just going to part off 2 sections in the front, and I'm going to moisturize that with the ORGANIX Curls Coconut Cream Leave-In. I think that's what it's called. So now I'm just going to put that in a 2-strand twist. And then I'm going to do the same for the other side. Rocking back and forth like that when I'm braiding my hair. But I'll be looking like so slow. So now I'm just going to section my hair in 2 sections, and as you can see, I'm using my fingers as usual. So I just used that leave-in and I moisturized this side of my hair. Yeah, it felt good. So I'm using Got to Be Glued as my gel because I ran out of my Eco Styler gel, and this was the only gel that I have available that can like tame these naps that I got going on. So yeah, I would advise you to use Eco Styler gel though, because this joint had my hair like rock solid. Now you're just going to fluff that up to your liking, and then do the same thing on the other side. You're going to moisturize, add the gel, and then put it in a ponytail. Simple. So I was going to leave my hair in the 2-strand twist, but I didn't like how it was looking, so I took it out and I decided to do a flat twist instead. So that's what I'm doing right here. Now I'm going to add a little hair jewelry to spice it up, and I swear hair jewelry will spice up the most simplest hairstyle ever. So yeah, get you some. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.